Hey everyone! Welcome to Salmon Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make an easy recipe for fried salmon fish cakes. To get started, peel and boil 6 medium potatoes. We will be mashing them later. While the potatoes are cooking, chop 1 small onion and 2 stalks of celery. Add 4 tablespoons of butter to a pan on medium heat and add the onion and celery. Season with salt and pepper to taste. And add 1 tablespoon of dill. You can use fresh or dried. And 2 tablespoons of summer savory. Cook until the onion and celery has softened and set aside. When the potato has cooked all the way through, drain them. Add the potato to a large bowl and mash with a potato masher. Add 1½ cups of cooked salmon. Stir while mashing with a fork. Then add the onion and celery mixture to the bowl and continue mixing. Now is the time to check if it needs more salt or pepper. The last thing to add is 1 egg. This will help bind everything together. Now we form the fish cakes. Take a handful at a time and press into disc shapes. I just eyeball this step. You should get around 16 fish cakes. Add oil to a pan on medium heat and dip each fish cake into ½ cup of flour before frying them. Add a few to the pan at a time and cook until browned. Flip the fish cake to cook on the other side until both sides are crispy and browned. And that's it! Serve with tartar sauce and a side salad and you got yourself a delicious meal. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!